What's up, guys? Welcome back to another day. Today's repair is pretty simple. It's more like just maintenance. We have a Nissan Versa that they actually just called me, so we just had it to do basically a pad slap. The customer supplied the parts. I don't know what the reason is we're changing them. I don't know if they're worn or if they're noisy, but we're gonna find out when we get there. Hopefully it is just pads that it needs. We're hitting metal on the inners right here. Looks like the spring clip came out too. Let's take it apart and see what it looks like. Oh wow, look at that. So it actually, bet you there's no pad. Wow, so the pad's completely gone. Pad's gone. So it hit metal to metal and then wiggled its way out the bracket, and it was just stopping on the caliper here. So the caliper took a little beating, but it still works. So luckily the caliper wasn't like complete total. Rotor definitely should be changed, so I'm gonna call the client and see if they want to get a rotor for this or not. So I just got the one side I've took off on the driver front, and the inner pad is completely gone because it hit metal to metal. And yeah. But the piston like scraped into the rotor, and the piston's fine. I was able to get it pushed back in, so the caliper I think is going to be okay, but the rotor's tore up pretty bad. So I just need to know, do you want me to just slap the pad on it, or do you want to change the rotor? I can get a price for you. Got the passenger side taken apart. These got close, but they didn't get metal to metal. So this rotor's fine. All right, this side's done. So I took the rear drum off, and to be honest guys, these rear pads are good. So I just let the client know that there's no reason to change these right now. I'm just gonna clean them up for her because they were making a squeak noise. But she'll be able to save a little money by bringing those back and put it toward the rotor that she actually needs. These back in the car. How you doing, man? Do the same thing on the other side, and that's gonna be it for the back. I just noticed we got the same hubcaps. one's done. Alright, and we're back. Rotor. I'm guessing 17 or 18. 17. Yeah, that's pretty ate up. Use some brake cleaner, clean off these rotors. They come with like that protective film coating to keep them from rusting. I like to clean it off before I put it together. This caliper pin seems pretty seized. If I can get it out of there and free it up. Lube it up pretty good. Good as new. Alright, wraps this one up. It's good to roll. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up this repair. So I wound up saving us some money because when we opened up the rear brakes, they weren't even worn out. I guess they were squeaking, but they're probably just dusty. So I cleaned them off with some brake cleaner and just put the drum back on. But she'll be able to save money there because she wound up needing a rotor in the passenger front. I'm sorry, the driver front side, because the pad was metal to metal, and then eventually it got so thin that it just slipped out the bracket. But luckily the caliper wasn't damaged, so, and I was able to push the piston back into the caliper, and it's working fine now. So I am glad she decided to let me put a new rotor on it, because I don't like slapping pads on bad rotors. It's just not a good idea. It's gonna ruin the pad anyway. Guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. Hit that subscribe and like button so other people can find the content, and I will see you next time.